Right, so 我们这一个 video 要讲的关于到我们的 parametric differentiation. So basically, parametric equation 先 introduce 这个东西。Okay, it's coming from the word of parameter. 而这个 parameter 也就是 control，就是可能讲我们的 something that's unknown. But when it comes to parametric equation, for example, 我们通常有 x 和 y 在里面的嘛。Alright, so in this case, we will have one additional thing that's known as t. 而这个 t 它只要改变它自己 x and y will also be affected. Okay, so you will need to learn about how to differentiate parametric equations using chain rule. A lot of chain rules, but again, usually 在我们的 parametric equation, okay, is usually solving with 我们的 t. Okay, or you might see the other cases, okay, but usually we will see t more. With the parametric equation, it's using according to the unit circle. So 我们的 x and y, so you can see from here, okay, 我们的这里它其实是一个 unit circle 来的，也就是讲这我们的这一个红色线，它永远是 one. Okay, it's always one. But in order to make into one, you have to make sure your adjacent it's always cost, 也就是我们的 x value, it's always cost, and your sign, which is y, it's always sign. Okay, your y is always a sign, and your x is always a cost. So it's mixed into a unit circle. Right, let's look at how we would tackle some questions. Okay, but again, implicit functions, you do need to understand a lot of the chain rules. Okay, in some cases, you also need to do reciprocal. All right, so you have to be careful. Right, without further ado, let's try and tackle some questions. So parametric equations of the curve are x equals to t squared and y equals to 5 minus 2t. Now this is the type of question 就是讲着我们是不需要去讲我们的 t is equals to something. Okay, 也就是讲着 it's not always a default that 我们的 x equals to cos t, y equals to sin t. It's not always a default. 它有可能会直接给你的 which in this case, it did. So we have to find dy dx. Again, in order to find dy dx, we have to make, because 因为我们这里是 according to t, right? You can see that as existence of t. So that means dy dt is times dt over dx. This one is actually not too bad. But wait until the second question. You'll be like, oh, what is going on? But this one, okay, 我们就讲 differentiation of y according to t. So 这里是 -2 times 我们这里是 2t. So it becomes a 4t. Alright, so that's finding in terms of 是吗? Yep, that's correct. Okay, so that is the final answer. Hey, wait, I got tricked. Whoopsie, I got tricked. Again, this one is dt over dx, not dx over dt. 我们这里的 dx over dt is equals to 2t. So hence, in order to find dt over dx, you got to reciprocal it. So it becomes 1 over 2t, which is the same as -1 over t. Alright. Now find the equation of the tangent curve where t equals to 2. 也就是讲着我们的 function becomes 2. Okay, so a function of that differentiation. Okay, 我们先知道它的 gradient 是多少先。So 我们的 gradient, okay, that is equals to -1 over 2. And we do have the x and y coordinate. 只是它是不明显而已. So this is equals to when t equals to 2, okay, 我们的 x equals to 4, 我们的 y equals to 1. So using 你要用 gradient formula 也可以，你要用我们的这一个 also can. Not gradient formula, your y equals to mx plus c form. Alright, minus 4. So in this case, y equals to -1 over 2, x plus 2 plus 1. So 我们的 final value, it's just gonna be -1 over 2 plus 3. End of story. Right. Now this one is a harder question 因为它会 involve with trigonometry. So again, this one is given to us. Okay, so it's not too bad, but we do have to figure out what is dy dx. Okay, which is the same as 我们的 dy over d theta times d theta over dx. dy d theta is actually more straightforward, 也就是我们的 4 sec square theta. But dx, we have to first figure out dx over dt first, which again 我们是需要换成 double angle formula. Alright. So in this case, let me get the formula sheet out. Okay. So in this case, 我可以换成 let's change our x to double angle formula. Right. So in this case, 1加 sine square theta. We can get it to cos 2 square. But I think we can do product rules also. Yeah, we can do product rules. Okay, so 这里的 differentiation obviously will go out. Okay, will go out, but we can do product rule on that. So it becomes 我们的 sine theta equals to u, v equals to sine theta, like that. So, 2 sine theta. So u dash equals to 2 cos theta, v dash equals to cos theta. Cross cross. 所以我们这里 dx over theta is equals to 我们的 2 sine theta cos theta plus sine theta cos 2 cos theta. 所以最后我们得到的是 4 sine theta cos theta. Reciprocal it, 我们得到的是 4 sine theta cos theta. So in this case, simplify a bit, 我们可以得到的是 this 2 cancels out, sec square 我们换成 cos, 那我们就可以把它写成 1 over sine theta cos cube theta. Done. Right. Find the coordinate of the point on the curve where the tangent is parallel to the y-axis. 也就是讲这 is always x equals to something. Okay. Right. Oh, sorry, x equals to something because it's parallel to something. 我们的那个y-axis. So in this case, since it's parallel, okay, to the y-axis, that means, okay, 也就是讲这我们的 sin theta cos cube theta equals to 0, 因为 okay, 我们的 gradient for a straight line like that, it's infinite or unknown, which is only happening when sin theta cos cube theta 也就是我们的 denominator equals 0. Okay, so that means 我们就讲 sin theta cos cube theta is equals to 0. Well, straightforward, sin theta is equals to 0 or cos theta equals to 0. That means, okay, 我们的 theta can be 我们的 pi, which is, yeah, theta equals to pi. So if on, but let's have a look on this one. This one, usually we will say 1, but let's have a look. The region does not allow it. So that means we reject. Okay, so hence 我们只是要看 theta equals to pi 而已, which the final answer, it would be 我们的 coordinate of 1 plus 2 sine square pi for tangent pi. So the final answer, it would be 我们的 1 plus 0 and 0. So each is equals to 1, 0. Again, 我觉得在这里最难的其实就是你要去动脑，就是去想 okay, first of all, I got to think about the parametric equation. Second of all, you have to figure out the trigonometry of its part. Two of them together it's going to be a nightmare. So that is the reason why you make sure you have to have a strong base of the differentiation, then only come here, because trigonometry will definitely take some more energy. Right, that's pretty much it, and good luck in your integration of the mathematics.